What if the answer to your stubborn dark spots has been sitting in your spice cabinet this whole time? Turmeric isn't just for lattes or curry, guys. This golden root might be the natural solution your skin has been waiting for. Hey guys, I'm Yasmina, creator of the Mobile Massage Store, where I specialize in natural skincare for women who are tired of reactive skin and harsh chemical products. After 12 years as a massage therapist and even more years battling my own hyperpigmentation, I started formulating clean, plant-based products that actually work without the toxic side effects. So today we're going to be diving deep into how turmeric helps lighten hyperpigmentation, naturally backed by science. And yes, I'll be sharing 2 quick DIY recipes that you can try at home to get results, okay? So what is hyperpigmentation? Let's start with the basics because I get this question all the time. Hyperpigmentation is when patches of your skin become darker than the surrounding areas. It's usually caused by an overproduction of melanin, which is your skin's pigment, in response to things like sun exposure, inflammation from acne, eczema, or injuries, hormonal changes, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation even. And while there are tons of synthetic treatments out there like hydroquinone, kojic acid, and chemical peels, they're not always safe or gentle, especially if you have sensitive skin like I do. So that's why turmeric has become such a powerful go-to in the natural skincare world. How turmeric works, let's break this down a little bit. So how exactly does turmeric work to lighten hyperpigmentation? Turmeric contains an active compound, guys, called curcumin, and this is where the magic happens. So a quick scientific breakdown: curcumin has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and melanin inhibiting properties. One study published in Phytotherapy Research found that curcumin significantly inhibited tyrosinase activity. That's the enzyme responsible for melanin production. Another clinical trial from 2018 showed that topical turmeric extract used over 4 weeks led to a noticeable reduction in facial hyperpigmentation without irritation. So the translation is that turmeric helps fade dark spots by calming inflammation, slowing melanin production, and protecting the skin from oxidative stress, which is a huge driver of discoloration in the first place. Even better, it does this gently, guys. No stinging, no peeling, no risk of making things worse. And for my ladies dealing with hormonal melasma or post-acne scars, turmeric might just be your new best friend. So here are 2 simple DIY recipes. Let's get into the good stuff. 2 simple DIY recipes that you can whip up at home using kitchen ingredients, okay? So number 1, the brightening turmeric spot paste. For the ingredients, you're going to need half a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, a few drops of lemon juice. You want to avoid this one if you have sensitive skin. Mix this into a thick paste. Apply this directly to your dark spots. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse gently with lukewarm water. Here's another tip. Use this 3 to 4 times a week. Be careful because turmeric stains. So apply this at night and use a dedicated towel. The second recipe is a soothing turmeric yogurt face mask. So for the ingredients, 1 tablespoon of plain Greek yogurt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel or rose water for hydration. Mix all the ingredients into a creamy mask, apply evenly across your face, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse and follow with your moisturizer. This mask is going to be great for all over brightening and calming redness, especially if you're dealing with both active acne and dark marks. So here's what to expect. Here are some tips on what to expect. Real talk, turmeric isn't an overnight miracle, guys. It works best with consistency and solid skincare routines that include sun protection. So dark spots fade over time, especially if you're protecting your skin from new triggers like UV rays. A pro tip is to always do a patch test before applying turmeric recipes to your face. So use sunscreen daily. Turmeric won't help if you're constantly exposed to sun damage. If you're layering with other brightening products like niacinamide or licorice root, make sure they're gently and pH balanced. And remember, healthy skin isn't about bleaching or perfection. It's about glow, balance, and treating your skin with care. So if you found this helpful, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. In the comments, I want you guys to let me know, have you ever used turmeric? for your skin. Did it work for you? And if you're tired of experimenting and want products that already combine these powerful ingredients, check out the mobile massage store, guys. I have soaps, scrubs, and brightening balms designed for skin just like yours. All natural, no nasty stuff. I just want to thank you guys for watching. You deserve skincare that actually works with your body and not against it. So until next time, stay glowing, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.